So, cryptocurrency markets were trading higher despite the issues related to FTX, which continue to dominate the broader markets. So, after extended losses over weekend, Bitcoin recovered above $16,000, while Ethereum followed a similar path and seeks to recover near $1,300 level after falling back below $1,200. So, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has announced that his exchange will establish an industry recovery fund which will help the industry offset the damage dealt by the FTX's collapse, and this was the prime reason why the markets recovered. So, the fund is aimed to help crypto projects that are facing liquidity issues but are fundamentally sound. That's what the main intention was. So, IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading higher by 2% at 25,220 points. So, if we talk about the US inflation numbers for the October, which were at 7.7%, a month-on-month increase of 0.4%. So, analysts had actually predicted a 8% increase for the month based on the fact sheet data. In September, the inflation increased by mere 0.4% month-on-month from the August, and that was the reason why the market got a confidence that interest rate trajectory going forward will be not as hard it was what we have seen a couple of months back. So if you talk about the overall global cryptocurrency market, which increased by 1.3% to stand at $841 billion over the last day, the total crypto volumes, which has actually increased in the last 24 hours, are at $74 billion, which makes a whooping 54% increase. If you talk about the US dollar, which steadied on Monday amid fading expectations of a less aggressive Federal Reserve interest rate hike going forward, and the next meeting is in first week of December, and that is something which the market is that event is actually important event for the entire market. The dollar index, which gauges the greenback against a basket of major currencies, edged up by 0.1% at 106.85, ending off nearly 3 months low of 106.27 touched on Friday. So if we talk about stock futures that traded lower after the S&P 500 posted its biggest weekly gain in almost 5 months on the back of easing inflation data. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell 0.25%, S&P 500 futures declined by 0.32%, and Nasdaq 100 futures traded 0.55% lower. The yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury note edged up 3.886% from 3.828% in the last week's close. So, if we talk about the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin was trading at $16,800, up 1.3%. It also briefly touched $17,000 mark. So, Bitcoin has been in the consistent decline since November 6th, falling 20% in the last 7 trading sessions. Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, was up by 2.6% at $1,261. If we talk about the other altcoins, on my left is Binance BNB was trading higher by 2.8% at $287. Polygon Matic was up by 4.8% at $0.94. Solana Sol was up by 6.5% and was trading at $14, recovering from a massive sell-off it has seen on the back of FTX. Cardano's ADA token was next on the list, was up by 1.2% at $0.33. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.4% at $0.088. Shiba Inu was next on the list, was trading higher by 1%. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13, higher by 4.3%. Ripple's XRP token was at $0.35, down by 0.8%, while last on the list was Polkadot, which was trading higher by 1.4% at $5. So that's all there is in today's Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.